Hi, my name is Bronwen. I'm the lead educator here at Elate. I'm joined by Lisa, and we are going to go through how to incorporate the new Rise collection in your daily ritual. The look includes a soft plum smoky eye with a wash of color over the lips from our Better Balm. We're going to start by using SOAR eyeshadow, and we're going to use the blend brush. We're going to apply it to the lid all the way up to the brow. So using the same brush, I'm going to go into Ascend, which is this beautiful kind of deep plum tone, and I'm going to apply it to the lid and blend it up into the crease a little bit. When applying the color, I like to press it on and then blend it out. Next, I'm going to take our eye color brush, which is great for applying any shadow on the lid, and we're going to use Surge, which is this beautiful kind of plummy brown. And I'm going to start along the lash line and just apply to the lid. I do like to sometimes kind of bring it underneath. So I'm going to go back into my Ascend and just kind of smudge it a bit under the line, under the waterline underneath, but with my color blend brush. I just want a smaller brush. If you want to deepen it a little bit more, you can go in with Surge as well. So we're kind of done the eyes. Of course, if my lovely model has lashes on, if you don't have lashes, then you can definitely kind of finish that off with mascara, but we're going to move on to cheeks. So in this collection, we have two different cheek colors. I went with Triumph just because I thought it would look really beautiful to complete the look. And I'm just pressing the cheek color brush into it. I find if you kind of rub it in a bit too much, it will come off. We're going to start on the upper cheekbones and just sweep forward. So now we're going to go on to lips. The Better Balm is an option that I chose. We have it in Lifted, and I just love it because it just gives a really soft wash of color, especially when the eyes are a little bit deeper and there's more smokiness to them. You can apply it with your finger or with a brush. So the Better Balm is also perfect for the winter months because it's really protective and really nourishing on the lip. So if you're wanting to add some brows, we have the Brow Balm. I'm going to use Raven. I love to brush it through with the spoolie side first. Next, I'm going to use the angled brush side into the product and really kind of shape it. You can leave it like this if you're wanting something more natural, but today I really want to shape it and give it a really beautiful look. So starting at the front, I'm just going to follow, Lisa already has a really nice natural brow, so I'm just going to follow that natural brow. And it just gives a little bit more of a sculpted look. Stay up to date with everything Elate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can join our community on Instagram, Facebook, and sign up for our newsletter. Now that you've seen how to incorporate the Rise collection in your daily ritual, we'd love to see yours. Tag any photos at Elate Cosmetics. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.